Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the TURNMEON 20 Bundles Artificial Fall Flowers, a perfect addition to your fall decor. If you're looking to brighten up your home or garden with vibrant, low-maintenance flowers, this product could be the ultimate solution. These faux fall flowers are UV-resistant, designed specifically for both indoor and outdoor use, making them an ideal choice for autumn or Thanksgiving decorations. The package includes 20 bundles, with a beautiful assortment of yellow-orange flowers, red-green blooms, and orange Persian grass. Each bundle is around 13.5 inches in length, and the grass adds an extra touch of elegance. Whether you're decorating a bookshelf, your office, or outdoor garden space, these artificial flowers will add warmth and color without the hassle of real plants. One of the key features of these flowers is their durability. Made from high-quality plastic, they're designed to look realistic while saving you the trouble of constant upkeep. You don't have to worry about watering, wilting, or replacing them. They'll look beautiful all season long. If you want to keep them looking fresh, just a quick blow from a hairdryer or a wipe with a rag is all it takes. Another great aspect is how these flowers bring fall's rich colors to life. The mix of deep reds, vibrant oranges, and soft yellows provides a cozy, festive vibe to any space. You can place them on your dining table, in the garden, or even around the house to create a welcoming atmosphere for your guests this season. Their UV resistance ensures they won't fade easily under the sun, so they're great for outdoor use as well. These faux fall flowers are designed to be the perfect match for your seasonal decor needs. Whether you're hosting a fall gathering, preparing for Thanksgiving, or simply enjoying autumn's charm, these artificial flowers can elevate the ambiance of any room or outdoor setting. So, if you're in the market for a quick and lasting way to bring the beauty of fall into your home, the TURNMEON Artificial Fall Flowers are definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews like this one.